everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the new vlog. So today's video is gonna be all about Izu, a day out with Izu. So there is a pet event going on in Jai Mahal Palace, which is sponsored by Zomato and Supertails. So we are attending the event and I will take you through, so stay tuned with the video. As you can see, Izu is all decked up in her new dress and you can see her ponytail. She's looking so pretty. I'm sure that she's gonna meet her relative, lot of pets over there in the event. So this is the first time that she's going to be interacting with pet. Thank you today. Not sure why, but yeah. So let's go.
Just look at her. Izu believes she's so superior that she can win over the stray dogs. I don't know what to say. It was time to fill the tank. Izu was so exhausted after all the noisy barking that she did and she needed some cool air. I was just checking out myself and the makeup. She did sleep for a bit and look at the weather. Blue sky and empty roads. But this was only for a brief journey because after that we were stuck in traffic and we were so bored. Left, right, front, behind, everywhere vehicles. So we had this butter popcorn on the way and just enjoyed the ride. We were 2 minutes away from the destination, as you can see in the map over here. So here's the Jai Mahal Palace where the event was held. Here is where we enter the event. I saw a lot of pets and pet owners holding their pets, enjoying the occasion. This was really a new experience for Izu and for ourselves too, because honestly I had never visited such pet events before. Izu was having a nice time over there. There were so many sponsorship hoardings placed. Here's the entry tag for Izu. I had to collect the entry tag and here I'm collecting one. And then we just went in. The location was so ideal, the environment, the greeneries, everything was really great. There were a lot of stalls and Izu got a lot of compliments on that day, and also there were few fun activities around. I did try to participate in few but I couldn't really do well because it was so sunny. I was sweating over there. Just look at the babies around, their dresses. Oh my god. Izu was crazily roaming around. Just look at the balloon behind her. So there was this separate zone for cats. Trust me, it wasn't that great because of the heat. In fact, I saw a dog become ill and suffer from a heat stroke. Because of the spooky sun, we were so exhausted. We couldn't spend a lot of time over there. We should have visited in the evening. However, we will not repeat this again. So probably from next time we will visit the events only during the evenings so that we don't have to face the heat. After returning from the event, I was feeling quite hungry, so I called for KFC, and Izu had her lunch and also slept. So these were the goodies that we got from the event. So thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe.